Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasni paidbah subscribe ya u an bagajla Meghalaya kan sapalong biang ya kashilong Cherry Blossom Festival 2025 hagi tarik khatsau khatsan naiwing arajar arpsan. Kani kalong kajing rakhi kabar khmih jang kajla ha kalyang kajingwan jungok kai ber kariti dostur habakran shakilat pathai khubor hashilong. Usang ma ulo ong baka venue bahe tam jangani kasnem kanong hajawa Harlal Nehru Stadium Shillong nalor kata ondan ru kijing pelong jingyelang ber kijingyelang riti dustur ha kijaka ba pher kum Howard Slate Polo Grounds bad kiwe kijaka sa jingkan mau heritage spot jang kasor Shillong. Umentri rangba ulapan pauru ba kajing pelong ya kanika festival kam dei tangman penpu penhiar ya kasnong kathau hendrei kadei ru kabenta jong kathong jong ka sarkar bante ya ka concert economy. Kabamut ban penklan ya ka yok ka kot ling ba kajing yalang riti dustur kajing snasngi ba kajing wan jongok kai na kinong wan na bar. Usang maulo ong bahagani kasnem on pinrben shu eka festival de ki jingrai bat jingyele kai shapang ka riti dustur ki shu jingshna jan ki jingpin itiar paidbah kabam gadi ba ki jinghi kai halor ka jingruspa jang kamaria. Kani kalong ban pin I paidbah ya ka jing itanat jang ka jila Meghalaya ha ka jinglong ka riti ba ka jingyat bet jang kamariang. Ula ong ru baka Cherry Blossom Festival kala long ka way na ki festival ba pau khamtam ha India ka ba jukring yi kinongwan jungok kai na kaleng kiri. Ka jung bloom jung kiding Cherry Blossom ha shillong man la unai wing ka pelong yi kasor kalong ka ba snutanat bhabar ka penpau yi ka jing itanat jong ka mariang jong ka jila. Umentri rangba ula ong baka sorkar ka trang ban pelong yi ka Cherry Blossom Festival 2025 kum ka jing yalang ba khmih ba kerpang Kerpang ha ka jing penkre ba jinglong jingman haringkat ka jing yetrei lang bat ki nong yalam na kiri ba pher ban wan pen I ya ka sap bat ka riti dustur jangki. Ka jing pen nam te ka sngi ka pen I ba ka Meghalaya kala nangkiu sya ka jing ya chaprang ha ka liang ka jing kentiu ya ka riti dustur ka mariang bat ka yok ka kot ling ba ka jing yalang paidbah kum ka ni ka festival.
2025. This year's festival promises to be a grand celebration of music, art and culture, showcasing the rich diversity of our state. The lineup features an array of talented artists, including The Script, Jason Derulo, and Nora Fatehi on day 1. On day 2, we have the iconic band Aqua and the rap pop sensation Tiger. Our festival will be closed by the world-renowned DJ and producer Diplo. I am also proud to announce that we have a special tribute to the legendary artist Zubin Garg, performed by musicians close to him. We also have talented local artists like Meba Ophelia, Dapist and ADL, as well as national and international performers like Girish, The Chronicles and Arius. The festival will include a range of activities such as the traditional Mr. and Miss Cherry Blossom competition, cosplay, cherry blossom arm wrestling, and many other activities. We have planned a festival zone across multiple grounds, including the stadium main stage, the second ground polo ground, and the MFA grounds. Tickets are available online and at box offices in Shillong. I take this opportunity to invite all citizens and visitors to join us for this vibrant celebration of art, culture, and music. Let us come together to make the Cherry Blossom Festival 2025 a memorable experience for all. Thank you very much. Any questions on this? You can ask
Yes.
me.
Silence these naysayer because festivals are also, like government is saying, is important to promote tourism in the state.
Yes, as you correctly said, that when we look at development, then we have to see every aspect of development. And, I've shown it to you in many different occasions that from the government's perspective, we are spending and our spending is increased in almost every sector. And therefore, if you look at education today, we spend 3,500 crores every year on education. If you look at health, we are touching almost 1,500 crores every year on health. If you look at PWD road projects, it crosses 2,000 crores every year. So every sector, we talk of water supply, more than 1,000 crores is spent every year. If we talk of the sectors of sports, we are every year additional projects worth about 300-400 crores has been taken up every year, additional projects. So as a government, we budget funds for every different sector and every different activity. Now, obviously, concerns would be there if we neglect certain sectors and we spend too much on different sector, which could be of concern. But as I've just stated in my brief points that I made, that as a government we plan the whole thing. So the 30,000 crores that we spend as part of the entire budget is given to different departments, and hence tourism has its share and festivals within the tourism have got its share. So everything is budgeted in a very balanced manner to ensure that all the departments and all the areas get the kind of support and the kind of financial expenditure that they deserve. So that's number one. So it's not that we are cutting the school budget and then giving tourism or having festivals. Schools and education gets 3,500 crores of our budget, and therefore funds are put in every sector because every sector has to grow. Second point is that we have always believed, and its numbers have shown that even in the last many years, I think last year's number, I don't have exact numbers with me right now, but roughly about 20 crores plus minus was spent, and we managed to get a return of almost 130 plus crores based on the investments that we made. So we got almost 5 times the return on the investment that was made during the cherry blossom time in terms of revenues going directly to the people and people benefiting. So these are clear numbers which show that concerts and economies around festivals are productive, and they prove that they do create jobs, and they prove that it does bring up the brand value of the state. Today, Shillong is one of the most most sought after destinations and most searched destination on the internet because of festivals and programs like these. And when people come for festivals like these have an impact on the overall larger tourism sector, which then leads to I don't know those details.
Sir, what is the estimated tourist inflow are you targeting?
We are hoping that we should be able to cross 50,000 tourist in numbers, because even last year we were around close to that, but we would like to go much more. So I'm talking about outside tourists who stay the night. So there are different categories. Of course, people coming in, traveling, going up and down, we will cross lakhs. So therefore that's different, but I'm talking about people who come and stay and spend a few days here, book rooms. So that kind of tourists, we expect that we should be able to cross 50,000.
How are you planning to at least
It's very dynamic in nature, but we hope that our past experiences will help us manage the traffic in a much better manner in the Cherry Blossom Festival.
So it's also being held at a time when school students are having exams. So how is the government ensuring that it doesn't cause much of a headache to school goers?
Yes,
also?
absolutely. We are, because Cherry Blossom, again, the issue is that we have to stick to the certain dates of the cherry blossom as such. So therefore, we will definitely ensure that wherever such issues are there, we will try to minimize the impact on the students, those who are giving exams.
So,
So
sir,
how
who will
much-
inaugurate? Who will inaugurate?
There's nothing called inauguration. It's not a government, program or thing. It's a festival. So it'll just be a program where we will just go and greet the people, and that's it. There's no inauguration as such.
So
It's
how
a
are you
festival.
ensuring
How
when
much
it comes?
government is spending for the
I don't have the details with me right now.
Cherry
So,
Blossom Festival this time?
yeah, I don't have the details with me right now. So I'll
So,
give back the details to you.
How are you ensuring that those who are coming, like you said, like at least 50,000 plus those who will be coming and staying here, how do you intend to stretch it out? Where they visit the tourist sites in a state, also extending to that way and not only for cherry blossom?
Yeah, absolutely. So that's the whole idea, and that's how the tourism circuit grows. Tourism is it's a process you need to keep evolving, and therefore as we experienced, if you remember, cherry blossom was not such a massive festival in the past. So we decided to make it into a calendar festival, and then we ensured that people started coming. We started to ensure that the infrastructure was available for people to stay in different homestays, which has come up. So therefore it's an entire ecosystem that needs to be developed. So we feel that we are better than where we were before, and things have improved, and activities have gone up. A lot of places have come up, and more investment is being made so that in the future it will come up. So we do expect that the tourists will come and they will roam around, go to some of the tourist locations, spend more time, and that will obviously directly and indirectly benefit the citizens of our state.
So we have seen every